everyone, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for IndoRecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is Gooseberry Danish. We picked up some gooseberry from the city's foodscaping for public, so it's nice to have this kind of program in the city, and we turned the gooseberry into this following Danish. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again, my goodness. And for City of St. John, thank you so much for the free gooseberry. Bye! This is 3.5 cups of gooseberries with 1 cup of sugar. So just bring to boil until sugar is dissolved, melted. If you want, you can also kind of mush it. It's 5 tablespoons of cornstarch in 1 cup measuring cup, and fill up the water to the brim, well, almost to the brim. And then we're gonna pour this into our gooseberry, and it will start thicken. And you want to cool this to room temperature before using it on your puff pastry. As it cools down, it will thicken even more. So this is 250 grams of cream cheese with 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. We're just gonna cream it and completely combine. Over here I have defrosted puff pastry overnight. It was frozen before. Now add in half of the gooseberry and then cream again. Until completely combined. Halfway, add in the rest of the gooseberry and continue mixing until completely combined. Now just slice them into squares or rectangle. The size is up to you. Once you slice them, you want to slice the the edges, but not cutting through. So just don't push it through. And in the center is where you're gonna put your filling, like so. And you want to brush the edges with the yolk, with 1 yolk. So crack a yolk and add tiny bit of water and just press the edges. Now we're gonna spoon some filling in the center. Like so. Now we're gonna bake this on preheated 400 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Take out from the oven.